YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another exciting video. Amazon vendor Beauart sent me this beautiful 100% Brazilian body wave human hair wig. What I loved about the packaging is it includes detailed instructions on how to care and maintain this hair. You also received wig caps, and it came with an instruction card. Shout out to my girl Taste Pink, who I see featured on the front, but it comes with brief details and also information on how to care for the hair for the longevity of the hair. The hair was beautifully packaged. It came in a net. The hair is 150% density. It's a 16-inch long. Color is 1B. It looks very, very natural, very, very beautiful. It has bangs in the front. It has the natural body wave. Also, the wig has two combs. There's one comb in the front. There is also a comb in the back. And you have your adjustable strap. If you're looking for additional information or details on this wig featured, please check the direct link in my description box. As always, thanks so much for watching. Please be sure to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.